Hello and welcome to meyouandresearch. This is Nadine. I'm a wildlife biologist and I have 3 dogs. 2 of them are working dogs. And today I'm going to talk about order. So this is why I've done this video today, is to show you what I've ordered from Dog Scent Technology. So this is a website I'm usually ordering most of my training equipment. This is because it is mostly affordable, very good quality. It's designed by someone, a professional that is actually in the field of scent detection, that is testing the product on dogs in the field. So this is Esther Matthew. So she is the one behind the website. I'm very excited to show you what I've got. So just to put a bit of context, so as I say, we have 2 working dogs. We have Noah, who is 7 years, so he's already trained multiple times. We actually use some of the Dog Scent Technology material, and we have also our new recruit Naja, who is only 6 months and who is starting now to train scent detection. So she has already been trained to find her own toy, and so the next step is to refine that, to get her to find actually specific scent for her first project. For this we're gonna use a couple of materials, and I've ordered some of it here that I'm going to unbox in front of you. So let's start with this one. So I like the packaging, very nicely, very safe. So this is a couple of things that I've ordered that we filled. So this is the first one I'm going to talk is gloves. But when you do things to find specific scent, and especially for scientific projects, things where you don't want too much contamination, having gloves is really great when you're handling the scent, whether being scat or any sort of smell. This is great for that. So this is a refill that you're using a lot. So when you buy it, it's 100 gloves in. So I'll put the price on each product, and you can see more info in the description. Then we already took tins by the past, plastic tins. The first we tested. Unfortunately, we have dogs that use their pose initially, beginning of their training. So yes, some of them got a little bit destroyed. So this is why we decided let's upgrade. So I took one initially to see. So this is a magnetic tin. So this is great because as it's magnetic, you can use it to stick it to something metal. So this is really great because you can put your scent in and place it somewhere, and the dog has to find it. So you can buy more than one. I'll put also again the price in the description. So this is something that is not necessarily for scent detection, but I wanted to try. It's a clicker with a whistle. So I already have a clicker, but just a simple clicker. It is very useful to get the dog to indicate exactly when the dog is on the right behavior. Some dogs can be scared, like just beware. One of my dogs actually was scared and I had to desensitize her to it, but it can be done. If they're too scared, you can use something like you can click with your tongue, or you can use anything else that doesn't scare them. It's very usually when dogs are struggling to focus, it's a very good thing because you first train them to actually understand what the clicker means, and usually when they click on it, when they understand, it's very easy after that. They understand the moment. It's very nice also if you want to delay, like if you don't want to panic of getting the treat and all of that. It's a very easy to be like, you click, the dog knows, okay, whatever comes is good. The whistle is to get a consistent calling recall. It's really important to be consistent with your recall cue. It can be a word, but I want to test for the whistle, and I'm really bad at whistling, I've tried. So I want to try that. So speaking of training, we also took these pet treats. So I'm usually looking for treats because you want to give a certain amount, especially at the beginning when the dog is getting familiarized with what you want. You want to reward as much as possible to get the behavior, and so it's nice to have things that are clean and not full of preservatives. If it's given from time to time, it's fine, but if it's given a lot and daily, it can become a bit of a problem. So these ones, I've been testing them, and so far they absolutely love it. So these ones is Lamb Trap Bites, free range organic, but you have other, and yeah, to be honest, it's really easy to use, very nice, the dogs loved it. So I definitely recommend if you're looking for treats that are safe, that are well sourced, and that full of vitamins. Then we're gonna open the big one. This one I'm very excited. As you can see, I love the packaging. Really nice packaging. And Naja is in front of the camera. She also supervising things. You like it? So this is a full set. So this is 3 cubes that you can actually, you know, the thing that you can tie to the ground, which is really good because when you have dogs like mine that just love using their paws, it's really nice to have something stable, especially when you want, you know, them to indicate. The cool thing is you have these, which I think is markers that you use to know where you put which specific scent, because sometimes you want to test that the dog indicate on the right target that you're looking for. So like if he shows the one and you can see the color is the right one, then you can reward, you can click, you can reward. If not, you just ignore up until he actually indicates. So you see you have also tubes where you can put the scent, so you can put a piece of the scent or you can use the scent tube that I will link. This is a tube that you can use to imprint the odor on. So it's really nice for wildlife. It's really nice because it's make it easy, but it's also for law enforcement. So like if you want to find ammunition, it's very nice because you can simulate a large amount or a very small amount, and the smell can stay on it up until 6 months. And you can, you know, use it anywhere, hide it anywhere, and usually it's really nice to put it here because then you can use and you can make them mark on the specific spot. So you also have these tins that you can put in, and where you can put the smell also inside it. It's a very nice thing to train them on. It's a very easy one. So the cube set is not the only set, you have other sets that are available. This one has been recommended to me as it is very easy, especially when first time for the dogs. It's very nice to get, because Naja, it's going to be her first time. But even for Noah, who already is familiarized with it, it's going to be nice to have a set like that because it's a little bit nicer, and you can spread them, you know, differently. They don't have to be lined up. You can do the basic lineup initially, but then if you want to go more towards like hiding somewhere and see, you know, like put one in a bush and another one open and another one hidden in a tree or something, or like close to a tree. That can be really nice. So very excited to actually test all of this. I will actually do a follow-up video where I test and what material do I use and all of that. If you have any question, please pop them in the comments. If you like this video, just please like and subscribe. See you next time.
Like a Hellcat.